Craving something homemade, easy, and actually worth it. This isn't another scroll and forget recipe. It's real food, real flavor, and a whole lot of why haven't I made this sooner? So hit subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs it, because today's recipe, it's a total keeper.
Now let's talk about the patty. Nothing fancy, just honest, homemade goodness. Start with 1 pound of ground beef, 80/20ths. You want that fat for flavor. Don't overmix. Just toss it gently into a bowl. Now here's where it gets good. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, a generous 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, and a little black pepper. Enough to make it feel like something. If you're feeling bold, toss in a spoonful of sweet relish. Yes, relish. Trust me, that sweet tang adds something you didn't know was missing. Mix it all together with a light hand. We're not making meatballs here. No breadcrumbs, no eggs. Just the meat and the magic. Now shape it. Not too perfect. Divide it in 2 or 3 portions and gently press each one into a patty. Flat, round, and a little uneven is what you want. About 1/2 inch thick, no more. Because we're building something that's supposed to feel homemade, not molded in a factory. Heat a cast iron skillet on the stove. Get it hot but not smoking. Lay the patties down and just listen. That sizzle. That's your kitchen saying, yes. No flipping early. Let them sear for 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. When you see those crisp golden brown edges creeping in, flip gently. Cook the second side for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until it's done just how you like it. You can press down slightly with your spatula if it puffed up too much, but don't flatten the sole out of it. When it's done, the smell will make you forget everything else. Set it aside on a plate, let it rest a minute, and just admire it. That's not just a patty. It's what fast food wishes it could be. Slip it into your favorite toasted bun with melted cheese and caramelized onions, and you've got a patty melt that feels like home. Or crumble it up into a taco, tuck it into lettuce wraps, layer it over a salad. This patty isn't just for burgers. It's your midweek flavor fix, no matter how you serve it. And there you have it. A homemade beef patty so good, it doesn't need a drive-thru or a wrapper. If you try it, let me know in the comments how you seasoned yours, or what you served it with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a break from bland. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next fun food story.